Happy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Salifert calcium test kit. So all we do is drop the syringe into the water and lift it right up to the 2 milliliters. Now you're going to take that 2 milliliters of tank water that you got and you're going to put it into your test tube, just like so. The next step is you're going to take your calcium powder, goop out, but as you can see, just enough to where it seems pretty level. Then you're going to drop that into your test tube. Now don't start mixing it just yet. There's still another step we have to go through. And then you're going to take your Ca-2 solution. So then you take your syringe with your pink tube that you put on. Now when you draw this up to the 1 milliliter mark, you want to make sure that the 1 milliliter is at the bottom of the black plunger. You can see it's at the bottom of the black plunger, and there's also going to be an air gap. This air gap is made of by that pink tip. Do not worry, you're still doing it correctly. The next step can get a little confusing. We're going to put 0.6 milliliters in here. So pretty much taking it from the 1 milliliter, we're going to take it down to the 0.4 because 10 minus 6 equals 4. And it doesn't matter how fast or slow you do this. All that matters is that you put 6 milliliters in with an unstirred scoop of the calcium powder. And you're going to watch the liquid turn to a nice pink color. You're going to start adding drops until your liquid turns blue. Now don't be alarmed if you notice there's not that much liquid in the syringe as you near the end of the test. But as you add these drops, just gently stir it around until you get to a nice blue color, just like so. As you can see, it went from pink to a very obvious blue. When you get to that blue, you want to read what it says on the syringe. 0.1, we're at a 0.1 milliliters, or a tenth of a milliliter. However you want to mathematically explain it. Not only does it give you a picture step-by-step, directions of what I just went over in the video, this graph is what you're going to be using to measure how much calcium you get. So I'm at a 0.1, 0.10, 0.10, which tells me I'm at a 450 calcium level, which is actually perfect. That's my best calcium level I've ever been at.